Looking to type without using your hands on your iPhone? Dictation is the ideal tool. It lets you speak, and your iPhone converts your words into text. Whether you're busy with other tasks or simply prefer speaking, this feature can save you time and energy. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up and use dictation. Let's dive in. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Keyboard. Scroll down and find the Enable Dictation toggle. Toggle on to enable dictation. The switch will turn green. A pop-up may appear asking for confirmation. Tap Enable Dictation to confirm. How to use dictation. Open any app with a text field, such as Messages, Notes, or Mail. Tap the text field to bring up the keyboard. Tap the microphone icon located at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Start speaking clearly at a moderate pace. Your words will appear as text in the field. To add punctuation, simply say whatever you like. When you're finished, tap the keyboard icon to exit dictation mode. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Tap the notification bell to be the first to know when new videos are released. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.